is Susan from the Euless Public Library, and this is my assistant,
Brandon!
and this is
STEMtastic Station Virtual Edition.
Yay! Alright, so today we're going to make fizzy lemonade. So Brandon, what do we need?
We need lemons, which we already cutted and we juiced into this.
Yep, so we went ahead and, so you need lemons, which we have here, but we went ahead and juiced our lemons and made almost 2 cups of juice here. And then we also need, what's this? Water. And then we need, this is sugar. Sugar. And then actually the most important part is we need some, you know what this is?
Baking salt.
Soda.
Baking
soda, yeah. So we're gonna use the baking soda, and the baking soda is actually what is going to make our lemonade fizz up. Yeah? Do you know why that is? No? Well, it's because our lemons are actually acid. So this is actually has citric acid in it, which if you don't want to actually use lemon, you could do the same thing with just like food grade citric acid with any other flavorings if you want to do that instead. But we're going to go ahead and, you want to pour that in there? So we just have a pitcher with ice in it, and we're actually going to make lemonade first, and then we'll make it fizzy. You want me to pour it?
I want to do it.
No, the other way. This one into this one.
Oh.
You want to do the water?
Yes.
Yes. All right, go ahead and do the water there. We already put some ice in the pitcher, so.
No. Oh, that sounds like it's trying to bubble.
I think that's just regular air. All right.
Yeah.
How sweet do you want to make it?
A tiny bit sweet, but I don't want it to be too sweet.
You don't want to be too sweet? How about, okay, so we have a 1/4 cup here, but I think we'll probably do like 1/2 cup, which is 2/4 of a cup. There's one. You want to do one more? Okay, one more?
Can I do the second one?
Mm-hmm.
Because it looks cool.
Yeah.
After you do it.
There you go.
It just jumps and then it just disappears.
It disappears.
Under the water.
It sinks into the water. All right, here, let's use a spoon to stir it up. Let's go ahead and add our baking soda. So we're going to start off with a tablespoon, and we're going to see how it reacts to that. When I put it in, you're going to start. There we go. Look at all that fizz.
That is going almost to the top. That's not going to go to the top, is it?
I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully not, because we don't have anything underneath it. Do you want to taste it?
No, I'm going to put this right here so that
I think it's okay. So
It's
what
on
happened?
the spoon.
All right, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Oh, all the bubbles. We're just going to eat bubbles.
Yeah, this looks like we're just gonna eat bubbles.
We're actually going to eat lemonade.
That's like all bubbles.
Yeah, it's all bubbles.
Let's see if we can hold the bubbles back, and then, oh, there we go, perfect. Whoa. that together?
Mm.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Cheers.
Mm.
I'm scared of it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's sour. Is it sour? Is it good? Okay, cool. All right. So you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. I'll explain what happened in this after the video. Or at the end of the video.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Bye. So now I'm going to explain the science of fizzy lemonade. Just like with the bubbling slime, the reaction you are seeing is an acid-base reaction. Baking soda, which is chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a base and it has a pH level of 9. Lemon juice, which is chemically known as a citric acid, is an acid and it has a pH level of 2. A pH scale is used to show how acidic or how basic a solution is. Any solution with a pH level between 8 and 14 is a basic solution, and any solution with a pH level between 0 and 6 is an acidic solution. And if it has a pH level of 7, then it is a neutral solution. So when combining a base like baking soda with an acid like lemon juice, the hydrogen ions separate from the sodium ions in the sodium bicarbonate, and the hydroxide ions separate from the citric acid ions from the citric acid, combining to make water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is what causes the fizz, making our lemonade fizzy lemonade.